Good morning, princesses. Today we are going to be making floating Olafs. Lila, you love Olaf?
Yeah.
And who loves Olaf? What princess are you today?
Elsa.
Elsa!
And that's on you.
Olaf is on me now.
I'm not laying down on you.
Oh, he's laying down on me. Okay, princesses. Oh, you stole my crown. So get ready to make floating Olafs. Should we go? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, kids. So we've gathered our materials to make floating Olafs. We have JELLO in blue. Ours is like aquamarine color. Make your JELLO in advance or buy it. We have marshmallows cut in thirds to make the body of Olaf. Shh. We have marshmallows cut down to make his feet. 2 pretzel rods for his arms. A tiny sliver of carrot for his nose. And melted chocolate for his buttons and eyes. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah.
Are you ready to make Olaf?
Yeah.
Let's do it! Take your first marshmallow, okay? Follow me. Do what mommy does. Okay. We're going to lay out his body. 1, 2, 3 marshmallows for his body. Do you want help with your 3 marshmallows? Here, they're a little sticky because we cut them. Ready? Can you put this one down here? Yeah. Here, ready? Sticky 1. Good. Put another marshmallow down for me. Oh, that's his foot. Here, let's put this one down. You have sticky ones, okay? Here, you can help put these foot. Look, ready?
Yeah.
His little feet go here. Okay, 1.
And there.
And here's his other foot. Okay, you're going to give him his arms. Here, do you want to start working with mine? You're going to give him arms?
And that. That's
Okay,
arms.
your third marshmallow.
No, that's his arms.
Those are his arms. Okay, can you put his arms out of the side of his body? Show me. Like 1 arm, and show me his other arm.
Mommy.
Okay, can you do it, please? The other arm goes, no, not on this same side, on this side, okay? So ready, look, this arm goes here. And that arm goes there, okay? Lila, can you go put the arms on the other Olaf? Can you put the arms on this one? Can you put his arms on one side, on a side? Want to help? That's on his head. We put the arms on one side, and we put the arms on the other side. So we've got 2 Olafs now.
That one.
That's our chocolate, and we're gonna make our third. So from the beginning, we're laying down. Don't put the chocolate on it yet. I'm not ready to help you yet. 1, 2, and they're a little sticky because we cut them. And 3. Each Olaf is different, and that's
Okay.
That's okay. They don't have to be perfect. They're just floating, happy snowmen. There you go. Can you put his arms on this one?
I want
Help me with the arms on 1. Ready? Arms on 1.
Left.
What do you got? Chocolate. Arms on 2.
His body?
Almost. Where does its nose go? Where's his nose go? On his face?
No.
There, wait for that, okay? So look, there's a nose. These are just little pieces of carrots. There's a nose. And they're all a little bit different, and that's all
Okay.
because Olaf is special and different. Now, we're ready to build his face. So here, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you. Ready? So dip. We have a chopstick. You could also do this. He gets buttons. 1, 2, 3, and he gets eyes. 1, 2. Does he want a little smile?
Yeah.
Smiling. We just used a chopstick and a little bit of chocolate.
That's okay.
Come in. Okay, do it yourself. Here, ready? All right, you want to do this one? Wait, I'm going to do the next one with you, okay? So ready? Do your buttons.
Me.
Okay, do your buttons. 1, 2, and then eyes. 1, 2, and that's awesome. Can you do the next one? Oh, I like it. 1, 2, and then dip it again. You want to dip it in chocolate again. And do his buttons. Can you do his buttons for me? Back on this one, buttons. 1, And it's O. Okay, 2. All done. So as you can see, we have made our floating Olafs in a pool of happy Jello. Olaf, are you happy? In summer. It's a hot day. The last thing missing, Olaf needs some shade. We have cocktail umbrellas that we made because we couldn't find them in a store. You know, quarantine and all. Lila, can you give Olaf another umbrella? And I'm going to help with this one. We want to tilt it back so Olaf is shaded. Here, give me the red one. No, he doesn't need 2 umbrellas.
He needs this one.
Yes, one in this one. Olaf is getting his last umbrella.